Hey scholars, and happy Friday. It is dun 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 test time. So I would like for you to go to the next clean page in your journal and write the numbers 1 through 7. You have 7 vocabulary words. So number your page 1 through 7. Then skip about 2 spaces and then write 1 through 5. So you have 7 vocabulary words and 5 spelling words. You may pause this video if you need to number your pages this time. You can go ahead and put your first and last name on the top. Today's date, which is October 22nd. If you have me on Monday, today's date is October 25th. From Monday, 8A Scholars. Again, number your page 1 through 7 for your 7 vocabulary words, then 1 through 5 for your 5 spelling words. I'm going to read the definition. Here is your word bank. You may choose one of the 7 vocabulary words once you hear the correct definition. Here we go. Okay, and here is your first word. Your first vocabulary word. Here's the definition. Something that is unpleasant or disgusting. Something that is unpleasant or disgusting. Again, write down your vocabulary word that you believe answers this question. What is something that's unpleasant or disgusting? What's that vocabulary word? Again, something unpleasant or disgusting. Number 2 is an adjective. To be able to move quickly. To be able to move quickly. To be able to move quickly. Number 3, to feel that everything is wrong. To feel that everything is wrong and that nothing will get better. To feel that everything is wrong and that nothing will get better. To feel that everything is wrong and that nothing will improve. That's number 3. Number 4, very thin. Number 4, very thin. Number 5, a strong feeling of fear, worry, or sadness. A strong feeling of fear, worry, or sadness that is caused by something unpleasant and unexpected. Again, number 5 is a strong feeling of fear, worry, or sadness that is caused by something unpleasant and unexpected. Number 6, it is a verb. To formally announce that one is leaving a job or position. To formally announce that one is leaving a job or position. Again, give me that vocabulary word for this particular definition. Last but not least, number 7. To add untrue or made up details. To be fake. Again, number 7 is a verb. To add untrue or made up details. To be fake. Now we will begin our spelling portion of the test. Again, you should have numbered your page 1 through 7 for your first 7 vocabulary words. Now you should be on the section that is numbered 1 through 5 only for your 5 spelling words. This is your first word. Withdrawn. Withdrawn. One day, I went into Mr. White's office, and he seemed very withdrawn. That first spelling word is withdrawn. Number 2, significance. 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 I asked one scholar, what is the significance of your pride? What is the significance of your pride? Please spell the word significance. Number 3, muster. 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 I walked into Mr. Walker's office and I tried to muster up the courage to ask him for an off day. Muster. Number 4, dignity. Dignity. At the Young Men's Leadership Academy, we expect all scholars to show dignity towards one another and excellence. Dignity. Dignity. Number 5, eavesdrop. 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 I was walking by Mr. White and Mr. Walker when I began to eavesdrop, wondering what they were saying. Eavesdrop. Scholars, this is the end of your spelling and the vocabulary test. I know that you guys did amazing. Now we're going to grade our test. So if you could please switch papers with someone at your table. We're going to begin to grade vocabulary first, then spelling. If they got the answer correct, please give them a check mark. If they did not, please leave it blank. Again, if your teammate at your table got the answer correct, please give them a check mark. If they did not, please leave it blank.